It all started when I decided to clean the kitchen after a big grocery haul. The house was quiet, just me and my dog, Max, who was busy staring at the fridge like it owed him money. I pulled out the mop, the cleaning spray, and my "I can do this" attitude. First, I opened the fridge to wipe the shelves, and that's when a rogue container of leftover spaghetti slid out like it had been planning its escape for weeks. It hit the floor, splattering sauce everywhere, walls, floor, even Max's tail. Max, of course, thought it was a blessing and started licking the floor like he'd found gold. Then, as I reached to wipe the spaghetti from the cabinet, I knocked over the jar of flour sitting on the counter. It exploded like a snowstorm. Now I had sauce and flour everywhere, and Max was covered in both, looking like a dog-shaped pizza. By the time I finished cleaning, I was exhausted. Max, however, seemed thrilled with his impromptu snack and spa day. Moral of the story? Always close the fridge door